Alright everybody, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the DC Audio Level 110. This is a dual 4-ohm. This particular woofer I decided to donate along with a custom box I still have to build to a local show happening down in Bakersfield in May, SoCal versus NorCal, and there's going to be a raffle, so we decided to do something on behalf of the shop JeepAndBass, and I'm going to do this subwoofer. So anyway, we'll open it up and you get your DC sticker, and then it all comes out as a unit, it looks like. Packed away in this foam. Is your woofer. These are a 2-inch voice coil rated 300 watts RMS. The 12 inches is the same pretty much, and the price starts at $115 for this 10, and the 12 is $125. If you shop on my website, JeepAndBass.com, I offer a free box design with any purchase of a DC audio subwoofer. So this is the 10. As you can see, it's a very nice little woofer, nice little entry level, very clean. So we'll go ahead and get you a closer look here. Take this off the tripod. Okay, so you can see the stitched surround, rubber surround, paper cone, our cast basket, or press basket, spire, and somewhere down in there you can see our little voice coil. 2-inch voice coil, 300 watts RMS, 600 peak. It's got the little boot. Let's get rid of this foam actually. And then looking towards the back side here, you can see the chrome motor. We got our push terminals. Stitched tensile leads. So I mean, for the price, $115, this is a very good starter woofer. You can see. Kind of looks like our 8-inch model here. This is the M38. Very similar motor size. In fact, they might even be pretty much the same. Although I think this is using a 2.5-inch coil. No, that's 2-inch. So they might be the same motor. I haven't verified that. But I do know these are great little entry-level woofers for someone who wants to do a little daily setup. Something simple. So check it out at JeepAndBass.com. We sell a lot of DC product there, all the woofer lineup from level 1 all the way past level 6 and the Neo. And I got a lot of custom options you can get with these woofers. Level 1 doesn't offer any customization, but level 2 and up does. So a lot of options for you. We also have McLaren audio, full throttle batteries, and I do box designs there. And, just remember that any purchase of level 1 woofer, you'll be eligible for a free box design if you wish, a ported box. So I'll be building a little box for this guy, and we'll be bringing it down to the raffle. And if you want to go, I'll put the show information in the description and links to all the products. All right, appreciate it.